What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Day 15. Let's go, man. Yeah, I'm back with another video. Day 15 of that 100 push-up challenge for 30 days. We on day 15. This is 1,500 push-ups. Yeah, we in the books, man. 1,500 push-ups today. Yeah, that marks a new milestone, man. 1,500. We halfway there. We halfway there, guys. Yeah, man. We stay locked in, man. This is the no excuses, only results blog, man. So we build mode, man. Let's get it. 50 push-ups right here, right now. No excuses. Consistency over everything. Mindset over everything. Let's get it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Whoo! Yeah. Consistency over everything, guys. Yeah, man. Whoo. Yeah, man. I just hit that gym, man, not too long ago. Gotta stay keeping your workout on, even doing this challenge, man. Whew. I noticed I got a little bit stronger in the gym doing this challenge. So that's benefits right there in itself, you know? Hard work, man. Hard work, man. Pressure. Keep the pressure going, man. Don't do this for everybody else around you. You gotta do this when nobody else is looking, you know? This is for you. This is a selfish program, man. This ain't about, what another man is concerned about, Don't worry about, the crowd. Get the results first. People gonna come with the results, A lot of people on this journey, they're not gonna support you. They're not gonna motivate you. And you don't need motivation. We don't move off motivation, man. Don't move off motivation. Motivation is an emotion, man. You need to move just off discipline, just off purpose, man. That's how true successful people move. This is our foundation right here, man. I'm starting off just like y'all, man. I'm here doing this like y'all. This is my 30 days workout. I want to see y'all results. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna show you guys true results. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna show you which one you pick. But yeah, man. You see, I ain't perfect. Look, belly hanging out, all that. We're gonna change all that. Face to face, every day I'm gonna vlog. Every day I'm gonna show you guys results, and y'all gonna see. Man, this is real results. Right now, man, I'm aching. I hit the gym. I'm aching. But I'm still gonna do my push-ups. I'm still gonna vlog. I'm still going to record my journey. Why? Cause it matters. If I can motivate, if I can encourage in one person, If I can show one person, and that one person can teach 3, 4 people, I'm all right with that. Each one teach one, baby. Let's go, man. 50 more to go. Yeah, man. Blood, sweat, and tears, baby. Let's get it. Stay on your grind. Grind hard, grind hard. Whew. Grind through it. Grind through it. Grind through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Grind. We gotta grind, baby. Whew. That one burn, man. The grind is real, man. That one burn, man. But we stuck it out. Yeah, man. We'll cap off this day. Day 15, man. 1,500 pushes in the books, man. Stay locked into day 16, man. You know, peace, love, and abundance, baby. I'm out.